talk at Alibaba, Google, and something like WhatsApp, like this way. So a lot of customer is not very big, not some like the wholesale, some like retails and more. No. So some retails, but they always inquire with you and maybe two days and one time. So sometimes I think it already take up a lot of my time. So, but however, I always think he is correct. So I must tell him, yeah. So, but he always hesitates. So like, oh, I want to buy your samples, but today have 10 questions. Tomorrow have 10 questions. After tomorrow also. So I don't know how to.
This is the most crucial point in your job. You need to make a decision. Do I want to speak with this client because maybe someday he will take a decision, or should I just not waste time, lose this client, go somewhere else? But what if this client becomes big then? I lost chance. It's a dilemma. You know dilemma? The word dilemma? You know, like, okay.
Trouble.
Yeah, it's like something in our mind that we will never